How to increase or decrease ringtone and alert volume on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, Edge or Ultra. Now there are a few different ways to do this. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. On the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. Then tap on the settings icon. Next, we scroll down and then tap on sounds and vibration. From here, tap on ringtone. At the top here, you can change the ringtone volume by dragging on the slider bar here. So you can drag it to the left to decrease the volume, or drag it to the right to increase the volume sound. You can also press on the side button here to increase or decrease the volume. Here, if I go in here and change it, you can see I can quickly increase or decrease the volume by using the physical keys. You can also swipe down at the top to open up the quick settings panel. From here, you can also change the volume from here as well. You can tap on this icon to quickly mute or set it to vibrate or to silence or back to sound. If you press on the volume key, either volume up or volume down button, you can tap on the more button. In here, you can change the system alert sound. So that's the volume for the system alert. You can change the volume. You can decrease or increase the volume for the notification sound. And here are the ringtone sound. And then you got the media sound. So there are 4 major different sound settings that you can change. So system, you got notifications, and then you got ringtone, and then you got media. Tapping on the settings from here will allow you to go in here and make changes as well. You can also set alarm sound. And that's it. So those are the different ways you can change your sounds for ringtone and alert volume. So in here, you can also change the volume by tapping on the volume button. That will open up the same settings page. And you've got the system sound here as well. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.